Okay.
My name is Naveen. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I am 18 years old. I have completed my 12th standard in this year, and now I am preparing for a government exam. And my hobbies are crickets, football, and travelings. And what about you, sir?
That's wonderful. Yeah, I'm a teacher by profession. I live in Bihar state. Is I'm helping learners and improving myself as well. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So, when did you start your English journey, and why do you want to learn English? Early age.
Yes, sir. It's a very good question because whenever I join in this chat, all person asked first this is question. Yes, sir. I will tell you. I think
Okay.
before 2 months I started my preparation to learn spoken English, and now I think I am fluent. I am able to speak because that times I am not able to, but I am able to, and I am able to express my word in front of any person, and
Mhm.
it's a practice, sir. And I give practice more in my home and also like this app, and before
Oh,
2 months, yes, sir.
okay. Before 2 months, you start your English journey, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. I think you speak well, I would say. And you have that confidence. I can observe. Great. So, what is the goal of yours?
Yes, sir. My future goal, like giving exam NDA. Like I'm preparing for a government exam, like NDA. That means
Mhm.
National Defense Academy. So I want to go in this type of exam, and I want to serve my country.
Wow. Nice thoughts. Really.
Yes, sir.
What's your country? Of course, you must be succeed. I know that
Yes, sir.
because this
Thank you.
should be existence inside of all the individuals, and you have. Great. So nowadays, what do you do for learning your English speaking? Apart from nowadays, what do you do for learning English at your home?
Yes, sir. I'm learning English spoken like different types of books I read in my home, and also like I watch conversation video in like on the YouTube, and I practice in this Skype, and also I have a WhatsApp group that times I join, and more practice, and also listening. That means listening is a good part for learning a spoken. So I listen more.
Hmm. Yeah, you are doing well. Listening is the way of increasement the level of your experiences.
Yes,
And
sir.
consuming data, that is mean you are going to prepare yourself situationally. When the situation is demanded by requirement of any statement, so it comes within you. You are doing well, I would say. Really.
And what's your future plan, sir?
My future goals. I want to be a teacher.
Yes,
That's
sir.
my future goal. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. But like now, do you have any like a student or that means you are teaching? Yeah. How much student do you have?
I have 5 to 6 students, and if I talk about the school, so I have 20 plus school
Yes, sir.
in English. I teach English.
That
So
means, sir, you only teach only English subject, not other subject.
no, I teach all subject, but by the having the absence of teacher, then myself into okay because
Yes, sir.
each teacher has their own routine, their own syllabus for teaching a student. So I'm having the absence of any teachers, one of them. So I replace myself into them that time. Okay, because
Yes,
of
sir.
class student, it's not a big deal for any teachers. So tell me your hobbies and your about anything. Say, do you like? Do you believe in God?
Yeah, sir. But sometimes like when I like demotivated and like that means doing well. Like that times I'm not like any result not coming. That times mm, I pray with God because I'm doing best and I'm all thing doing best in front, like in class and also like in studies. But my result is not coming. That times I pray with God. But yeah, I think not much, but sometimes. Because
Oh,
our first god is our mother and our fathers, that means our parents.
yeah, you're right.
Yes,
That's mean you believe in God, right?
sometimes are not like much because when I wake up, that times I touch my mother's and father's legs because that means I take place
Mm,
because they are my first god.
you're right. Having parents' existence in your life, that doesn't mean you do not need to explore outside any God.
Yes,
You have in your home your parents as a God.
yes,
And taking, feet of her family, your family, each and every single morning. Your day
mm,
will be
mm.
very nice, as you expect.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. And what about you, sir? Like, do you like in God?
Yeah, of course. God is everything.
Mm.
Belief is everything. If you believe, that is mean you trust on God. Having belief, that is when you have that much trust on.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes,
Where you can get believe, where you will have the existence of God.
yes,
If you believe, you do not find God. That is the fact, right?
yes, sir.
And we should be believing in God because this universe has been balancing for decades because of believing. Because few people and some of people are believing blindly in God. Right, that's
Mm.
why. That's why we have been celebrating a lot of festivals. Right, we have been following our tradition, our rituals, customs, because we
Yes, sir.
have a belief and we have a considering like this is a very special days of each and every individual's life. So we have to celebrate. This day, the God will be coming into my home. Right. So tell me about friends. How many friends do you have?
Yes, sir.
How many friends do you have?
Yes, sir. I have, I think, a couple of friends. That means 4 or 5 friends. But one is my best friend. Is Rupesh is my best friend.
Wow. He's very lucky for having you as a good
Yes,
friend because you
yes, sir.
have quality outs.
Because sir, I always all things share with Rupesh because yeah, I have a friends, but when I share Rupesh at that times I feel like relaxed and Rupesh always help me. So I always I'm any problem that times. Firstly, I say Rupesh, I have problem. Can you help me? That times he say yeah, I will help you.
That is mean emotionally you are attached.
Yes sir,
It's,
yes sir,
yeah,
and
having true friend, it's a quite fortunate. Fortunate,
yes sir.
you are quite fortunate. That's why you are having a very true friend who always are willing for helping you. Right.
And you sir,
Mm-hmm.
how how much friend do you have, sir?
Yeah, my friend like having I'm having into the school. My friend like as a teacher, you can say. So
Because now you are an adult, so I think you don't have much friend, but 2 or 3 friend whom you stay and living with in your home, that kind of friend.
yeah, you're right. In my work circle, I'm having few
Yes, sir,
friends
yeah,
who included in their profession, the same profession. So after completing the I mean teaching, we have discussed so many things, but not that much way I spent time like in our childhood. And I think your friends are also quite curious for learning this language like you, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think you might have been talking to each other.
I think, sir, my friend is not in home because he's going to like other district for a study purpose because he's studying for IIT exam. So he now I think he lives in Ranchi. I think
Oh,
you know, sir. Yes.
yeah. Mm,
But
great.
sometimes when my friends like free, that times he call me and like I think 4 year, 10 year, 20 minutes we talk in phone, only phone, sir. Yes,
Yeah, great. I think communication is much requirement to having the good experiences into this language. Do you
yes, sir.
like
Yes, sir.
do you like traveling?
Yes, sir. I like most traveling.
Oh, very interesting.
But now, like in Jharkhand, I think 10 year 20 places I completed. I want to explore different state. Like first, I want to go Bihar because I think 2 or 3 friends I connected in my WhatsApp chat. That times I found 3 or 4 friends from Bihar. That times, yeah, he belongs from Bihar. So I want to meet him.
Nice. You make online friends as well. Like, amazing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you like to do you like to travel? Okay, someone is calling me. Just give me 1 second. Do you like to travel for foreigner city?
Yeah, sir. I want to explore different like foreigner state, foreigner place. But now I have to complete my country. Like in my country, a lot of place like I want to explore. That times after I explore, I want to go other country. But now I will complete. I have to complete my own country.
Hmm. Okay. So today is very nice conversation with you.
Yes,
Someone
sir.
is and I have a given this time 12 p.m. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So wonderful conversation with you, and let's see in future we again connect. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for connecting.
Yeah. Bye and keep